have some.
Well, of course we all did, so we're looking at you guys.
No, we didn't. I think there was, but we didn't do that.
The other captain always is prepared. Okay, great.
So we have that flag captain system.
Awesome. Now after another video?
How do you do it?
We're back.
I know, I suck at it.
Tilt your head back.
Put them like you're going to put them in the corner of your eye and let them go in.
Put it in the corner.
Close your eye and drop it in the corner and then open it and let it go.
Say hello. Hello. Between the buildings here. Alright, so you guys see that covered bridge in between the buildings right there? That's the Bridge of Sighs. It's a bridge where they sort of led prisoners into prison from the Doge's palace. Keep walking over down the march floor. Hello, Venice.
I could tell you a thing or two about sea legs.